It was a period of rapid decline in global trade and rising unemployment. That, my friends, is the Great Depression. It was the longest, deepest, and most widespread depression of the 20th century. The Great Depression started in the United States after a major fall in stock prices that began around September 4, 1929. However, this depression only became worldwide news on October 29, 1929 with the stock market crash. This day was known as Black Tuesday. Over the course of the next few years, unemployment rose, international trade fell, and the worldwide gross domestic product fell about 15%. How crazy is that? Well, the worldwide GDP fell by less than 1% from 2008 to 2009. Now imagine a 15% drop. Now that kept going on until the mid-1930s when some economies started to recover. However, in many countries, the negative effects of the Great Depression lasted until World War II began.